Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. If you are new in this channel, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the next video. In this video we will learn about the smoothing of the graph. We will especially take the XR data from today to smooth, and then we will set its baseline, and then we convert it into the Tiff file. So you can smooth any graph you want to do. We will use the origin software for this. So first of all, you will open the origin software, and on the logbook you will enter the data, import single, select the text file for the data, open it, select both x-axis and y-axis and plot the line graph. So you can see here there is so much noise in the graph. It means that there is impurity in the graph, especially when we think about from the research point of view. So we want to smooth it, because in this graph we cannot find out exact crystallinity or the grain size or the percentage crystalline report of the XRD graph. So we will first smooth it to remove its noise, and then we will set its baseline. So let's start it. So to smooth a graph, we will go first to analysis, click signal processing, go to smooth and open dialog. So you can see a dialog is open, and in this dialog we will go to the point of window. Here 5 is given. You first check these 5 points of window first. If your graph is okay with it, then press OK. Otherwise you can increase points of window to 20, 21 to 25, because the points of window when we increase the points of window, smoothing of the graph will be improved. So points of window are directly proportional to the smoothing of the graph. So you will check it by hit and trial, and you will make sure that which point of window is suitable for your graph. So we are going with the 5. We will check is it okay or not. I will go to 5 and press OK. So there you can see there are the 2 graphs lines are present, red and black. So we'll double click on it, and in the layers we will untick the first layer and press OK. So now you can see there the noises between these lines are removed. You can also again go to the analysis to check the other point of window. Signal processing, smooth, open dialog. Let's see, we will go to 10 points of window, for example. Double click, unpick first layer, and OK. I think this is good for our graph. So now our graph is smooth. So we'll go to set its baseline. We again will go to the analysis, go to peaks and baseline, go to peak analyzer and open dialog. In my last video, I have told you about the setting of the baseline of the graph. We used the IR graph data for that. So that is the video for simply to set the baseline of any graph. For the XRD graph, we will go to different pattern for the setting of the baseline of the graph. So We will first go to, as usual, to Substract baseline. Go to next. Go to custom, and in the constant we will choose the asymmetric least square smoothing. Go to next, and you can see here the different parameters: threshold, smoothing factor, number of iterations. For the smoothing factor you can go at least to 2. So you can also do this hit and trial by clicking first by selecting the smoothing factor 4, then you can choose to 3, and you can use to choose 2. So by hit and trial method you can select the smoothing factor. So we will go first with 4, and the number of iterations you can go at least to 8. So we will go to the 8. So for my graphs 4 and 8 ratio is mostly work for me. You can choose it by hit and trial. So go to the next, Substract. Go to the subtracted data and choose the new book. Let's finish. So you will select the subtracted data here and plot the line graph. So you can see the difference. I have already had the Tiff file for the graph without baseline setting and without smoothing. You can see the difference here. So now you can set the x-axis and y-axis of the graph. So go to format, change the font size and the size. I am okay with the font size. Go to size to 36, bold, line and tricks 2, scale I think for it okay, 5 to 70. You can see you can also set the y-axis like this. Format 36. You can choose any size. I used mostly 36 for my article. Go to line and tricks, thickness is 2, and the scale I think mine is 2.7. 40 is okay for this graph. 35 is also okay. So we can see the XRD graph here. You can change the x-axis and y-axis names. For the XRD, we write the two theta on the x-axis. In the map, we select the theta. Change its position. This is intensity. So here is the compound name. You can also increase the width of the graph. You can also change the color of the graph. Now you will make the Tiff file. Go to export file, export graph, open dialog. Image type, select the tag image, write the file name, select the path, press OK. So now you can save it also, and now you can see the Tiff file of this graph and see the difference. So I think this is perfect for the attachment in the research article. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, press the like button and share this video on this channel to everyone. Thank you so much.